One of the first suggestions I have for new USF students is to use the research sources produced by USF. These can help you better understand what is expected of you for each of the USF majors and professional pathways. I would start by using Google to find the USF Plans of Study website. This resource will show you every USF major and the path to graduation. By better understanding the academic path, a student can determine if this choice matches their academic skill set. I am going to use the example of Environmental Science and Policy, or ESP major. Many students want to have a positive impact on their environment, but underestimate the rigor of this path. In this major, you will go to at least Calculus 1 and Statistics, Chemistry 2, and a variety of biological and environmental science classes. Last orientation, I had a student tell me they wanted to be a wildlife advocate and originally chose the ESP major on their application, but they are worried because math and science is not their main academic skill sets. Their main academic skills are research and writing. In the end, this student chose a political science major with a mass communications minor with the goal of enacting stricter laws against the abuse of animals and to restrict the trading of exotic animals.